Hey, welcome guys. So today we're going to see that how can you make threads in Solidworks. So like this kind of threads, how can you make, and we're going to see how can you make different types of threads by using very easy method. So let's start by using a new file, part file. So let's first make a box as I previously showed you. Change the units to like the meter, sketch. With smart dimension, give the dimension as per your wish. So this is like a tutorial, so I'm giving random dimensions. Go to features, extrude it, giving 50 mm thickness. So we have this box, and now I'm going to show you how can you make different types of threads. It's very easy. Go to whole wizard. So here you can see that these are the whole type, like counter bore, counter sink. You have hole, simple hole, regular, the straight tap, taper tap. You have legacy hole, counter bore slot. You have counter sink slot, and you have slot. These are the standard which you can use. We're going to see. Let's talk about first of all Ansi Inch, and these are the some sizes which you can see. So generally we know that like this 3 by 8 it shows the thread size, and the 16 it shows the threads per inch. So 1 divided by 16 is the pitch, and 16 shows the number of threads per inch, and 3 by is the size of the hole. That's for the inch. And for the metric is very easy, like the first term, as you can see. Let's go about general, like 2 into 0.4. So 2 means the diameter, and 0.4 it means the length, the thread length. So let's see about you have to give your desired value, the size here. So let's give from 3 by 4 16, or say 1 by 220. So that's fine. Here taper hole, you can use bottoming taper hole or straight. So taper hole means like it's going to be taper hole which is generally there. Bottoming taper hole means like it's taper at the bottom, and straight pine tape hole. So that's the thing. So let's see how counter bore. It has this type like binding head screw. So there are each hole has their different type. So you have to see what type you want in your hole. So you can see that there are so many types which you can look out for your drawing. Okay, so in this way just look it out, what did you want and what type of. So we are going to see that about the simplest thing, which is the straight tap. So going for taper hole and giving the size as required by you. I'm choosing 3 by 410, and it's making through all. And this option is like tape drill diameter. This is the cosmetic thread, and this is with the remove thread. This is the options which you can see. If you make the hole, this will give you some details about that thread. So let's see first of all this one, tap drill diameter. So after selecting all the parameters, you need to go to position. It says to select the face, so I am selecting the top face. And now if you move your mouse or cursor, you can see that the hole is going to be made the point where you want. So let's say I want to make somewhere here, and I will give the dimension later on. So I just make that, and now go to smart dimension, select this. So let's give it 25 from that edge. And 25 from the next edge. So now it's fully defined. Tick mark on it, so you can see that you have made the hole with the threading. Now as you can see, we have selected the option. Go to edit feature. You have selected this one. So you can't see any visual for threading. If you click on this, like cosmetic thread, you can see that there are threads, and this this line, it shows the um, made like the size of the thread. So and the cosmetic thread, it will give you the visual for that thread. So that's the second way. Again, I'm going to here, edit feature, and if I select this, it will give a simple hole, but it has threads. So be like be sure that like keep in mind that there is thread always. If you give this specification, there is a thread. And now this is the visual for thread. So this is the one type of threading which you can use. Again, go to whole wizard, and let's do this counter bore with hex bolt on the top. Size you can choose, and let's make it blind, and you can give the depth here. I'm going for half, like 25 meter. You can select options like head clearance, near side counter 6, under head counter 6. That's is upon to you. And now go to position, select again this face, and now I'm going to make it at this center. Right click on this, so you can see that you have made this counter ball hole. Okay, now you can see this has a conical shape at the end, and it's very easy to use this whole wizard so that you can directly make it there. The other thing you can use this slot. It will make just a slot. This is the size of the slot, and you can check it out what slot size you want, slot length, and let's see position. So it's giving us a it will make a slot, and you can go here, click on this. So the slot has been made. So similarly, you can create any type of hole, any type of thread with this easily, like already available hole type, giving standard and giving type, giving size for that, specification, and such that. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, Wiseman. Thank you.